As we kick off summer, there are so many different niches that are in demand. If you're going to do notebooks and journals, it's really important that you know who you're making the book for. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about preparing for Q4 on Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing. That's where 2 million books are sold daily. And on Amazon during Christmas, it totally takes off. So my name is Jenny Hansen-Lane. I've crossed 6 figures with book publishing. I love teaching people how to self-publish. I love supporting you on your journey. In this video, we're talking about what to work on now. And as we get into back to school, a lot of those niches are going to be in high demand. So it's really important that you remember for notebooks and journals that people do judge a book by its cover. And I recently launched the Cover Lab. Actually, it's the birthday bash. My birthday is in the month of July. And so make sure you're checking your email for the birthday bash where we've put courses on sale for $7, $9, $13, $17. And these are very niche courses, so you can get better at like cover creation. You can get better on turning one book idea into 5. Lots of different things like that. We also have a free training coming up. So, but I just wanted to pop on here and just share with you the importance of knowing who you're making a book for. Because a lot of people will say like, oh, it's oversaturated for journals and planners. My best-selling book had empty pages, and it's because I knew who I was making it for. So when you spend time on Amazon doing your keyword research, make sure that you type in the word for, and then you can get all these different ideas of books that are actually in demand, and it can help you to just hone in your skill of keyword research. Keyword research is also the patterns that we're picking up to be able to find the demand. And it's so fun to self-publish, but if we don't know who we're making the book for, it's hard to see sales and it can be discouraging. So I just wanted to pop on and share with you, like if you're doing primary composition notebooks, make sure your cover really stands out and it matches what people are searching on Amazon. And when I say that it matches, it's that the keywords, the cover looks like the keywords. And then in addition to that, that people would want to touch the book because that is the first step to getting it in the cart. They have to get onto the book listing. So let me know what questions you have about this process because people do judge a book by a cover for low content. And it's important that you do the necessary keyword research so you can find those less competitive places to sell your notebook or journal. Drop any questions that you have below about self-publishing. I'd love to make more videos for you on the topic. And as always, thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.